Hi, everybody. Jared Johnson here, Union Hedge Funds. We're just peeking at the market. Things have been a little quiet the last week or so. Obviously, summer rolls around. We got kids, we got holidays, we got vacations. So it's a little slower as to be expected in the stock market and in kind of the content that we're producing. We have another episode of the podcast coming up later this week. So keep an eye on that. If you haven't listened to the first few episodes of the podcast, I really strongly recommend you do that because there's some great tidbits in there, things that are easy to look over that are happening in the stock market all the time. So have a little look. We'll make sure to link those puppies to this video so that you can easily get to those other podcast episodes. They're great. I think they're great. I think you're going to think they're great too. But we've been having a good time. It's been a good summer. Summer is speedily coming to an end. We've got basically August left, and then it's back to the races. So we'll keep some content coming. Like I said, another episode of the podcast is on the way. Do not forget this little detail right here. We have what I like to call daily performance, a little bit of a comparison between all the markets. And I'm sure everybody is noticing that we've been getting this weird kind of outperformance here. This is just for today in the Russell, S&P, NASDAQ. We're definitely seeing some things happen. We're starting to notice that the Russell is really sneaking above everybody. You can see that over the last 5 days, NASDAQ's down about 3%. Russell is just slightly under break even. But certainly 1 day performance is very noticeable, up 1% here versus down almost 0.5% on the NASDAQ. So we're just starting to see little peaks. This is our monthly performance. This is for the month of July. You can see that the Russell is up 9, almost 10%, whereas the NASDAQ is flat. S&P is up a little over 1.5%. But we're seeing a lot of things creeping. We talk about this in some of the podcast episodes, some of the recent ones, why this might be happening. Why are small caps starting to outperform? Is there more to go? Do we have more opportunity there? How do small cap stocks work with AI? What is AI going to do, and what does it mean for those stocks? So we've got a couple of good points made in some of the recent podcasts. So give them a look. Let's have a peek. And the next episode is coming very soon. I hope everyone's having a great, fantastic summer. And I hope you're getting away and doing a little traveling and seeing the sights a little bit. We'll get much more busy as summer kind of winds down, but we're going to keep the content coming. So we wish you the very best. Have a great rest of your day and look for the next episode of